WADAS recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe is a mango sheera recipe, which you can make either for breakfast or just make it for an evening snack, or whenever someone wants to have something sweet, you can make and eat this. And it's super simple and very easy, and it gets ready also very quickly. So once you have all your ingredients ready, it hardly takes you about 5 or 10 minutes maximum to make this dish. So let's get started with today's mango sheera. So friends, let's start with today's mango sheera. So first I'm going to take one of the mangoes, the Alfonso Apus mango, and I'm just going to cut it up this way into slices. And then I'm just going to make these small little cubes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make say half a cup of cubes and about 1 cup of mango puree. So with the second mango, I'm just going to peel off the skin like this, or the peel like this, and I'm just going to take all the pulp. And then I'm just going to put this into my mixer so I get a smooth puree. If you don't want to have the mango pieces, then you can only go with the puree of 2 mangoes. So now our mango puree is ready, as well as our sliced mangoes are ready. Now I'm just going to take 1 cardamom or 1 elaichi, just separated from the pod in this way, and just make a powder, that is elaichi powder. Now I'm not using too much of it because you want the flavor of the mango to come through. So just 1 elaichi pod will do. Now I'm taking 1 wati of very fine rava, 3/4 of a wati of sugar, regular sugar. Now I'm going to write all the ingredients in grams as well as cups in the description box below. Now I've taken 1 cup of milk and I'm taking 2 cups of water. And we're also going to use some tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now I'm going to mix the water and the milk together, and I'm going to bring this to a boil on a very low flame. Now in my pan, I've heated about 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. I'm just going to fry a few cashew nuts in them. That is just for the garnish. And once they're light golden brown in color, I'm going to take them off. Now I'm going to add my rava or semolina to the ghee, and I'm going to fry this really well on a low to medium flame. Now you need to constantly stir this rava, and you will know when your rava is ready because you'll get this beautiful aroma of the rava. Now I'm going to put in the elaichi powder. I'm going to mix everything well together. So frying of the rava took me exactly about 5 minutes on a low to medium flame. Now I've added my sugar. I've lowered the flame, and I'm going to mix the sugar, the rava and the cardamom powder well. Now I'm going to add the diced up mango cubes. Mix everything well together. Now our milk and water is already come to a boil, so I've switched off the flame, and I've also added the mango pulp. Along with giving this a beautiful color, you even get the beautiful flavor of mango in this sheera. It's so unique and really delicious. So if you haven't ever tried mango sheera before, then I suggest that you do give it a try, since we are in the mango season. Now mix everything very well together, and then we're just going to pour. First, give everything a nice mix till you see everything has become into this mango color and you don't see any white of the rava or the semolina. And now I'm just going to pour this water and milk mixture a little at a time. Be careful because it's really hot, so don't stand too close to the pan. And then I'm just going to mix everything gently. In this fashion till all of the milk starts to evaporate.
So then you get this lovely sheera. And now when everything has got mixed well together, we're just going to cover and cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes on a very low flame. Now I have been making this entire recipe on a very low to medium flame. So now you can see that all the milk has evaporated and you can only see a solid mixture, no liquid in it, and just cover and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes on a very low flame. Now you can see that the entire thing is nice and cooked. And I'm just going to add a few drops of clarified butter or ghee, give it a good mix and turn off the flame. So this way everything comes well together. And then I've just decorated it with some cut up mango and some lovely roasted or fried cashew nuts.
So guys, I hope you like today's mango sheera recipe and I hope you will give it a try. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see somewhere below this video. Also, if you haven't joined my channel yet, then please do by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, a small little bell will show up. Just click on that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you'll get a message for the same. Also, if you're looking for any recipe on YouTube, as I have 500 and more recipes, just type the recipe in the YouTube search button and besides it type Akshata's recipes. For example, suppose you're looking out for let's say uttappa. So you just type uttappa, Akshata's recipes, and my recipe will come up first. Also, at the end of the video, you'll see 2 boxes coming up. Those are my videos. If you want to see them, click on them. In the middle of the recipe, you'll see something sliding up here in white saying suggested. Those are also my videos. If you want to see, just click on them. So friends, thank you for joining me today. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. And I'll catch you in my next recipe sooner than you think. Take care guys. Bye.